And today I'm talking about anti-aging treatments. So before I talk about anti-aging treatments, let's understand aging a little bit. Now when we age, there are changes happening at every level, starting from our skin to muscle to our fat layer and then even our bones. So let's understand what all are these in a very brief manner. For example, if we talk about bone, as our age increases, there is bone resorption happening. So the bone kind of shrinks in size. For example, look at our peri-orbital hollow. If at all the bone shrinks in size, this hollowness will increase, and that is why the eyes look sunken as we age. So talking about changes in the muscle, with time, as one muscle gets overused and the other gets underused, the muscle actions are also defined. So for example, if a muscle is pulling our eyebrows up, they will cause actions which are stronger than the muscle which is pulling our eyebrows down, and likewise will produce lines which are then called wrinkles. Let's understand that wrinkles are formed always perpendicular to the action of the muscle. So if a muscle which is pulling up our eyebrows is a strong muscle, it may give us a line which is there on the forehead and may look like our worry lines. Talking about fat, as the fat goes down as we age, it causes hollowness. For example, our superficial and deep fat pads go missing from the muscles. There is sagging of skin on our face. Talking about changes in the skin, skin has elasticity, it has collagen, it also has water retention. So with age, the elasticity of the skin goes down, the water retention also becomes poor, and there is loss of collagen. All of which is also visible as one of the signs of aging. For example, if we pull up our skin and it takes time to go back, it is also a sign of aging. Dehydrated and dry skin ages faster and shows more wrinkles as compared to a well hydrated, nourished skin. Let's understand now, once we have seen that all these are the signs of aging, what are the treatments that we can do to prevent them or to prevent these signs of aging from being visible. So there are treatments we can take at some intervals, like once a year or once in 2 years. These are our energy based devices or laser devices like radio frequency or HIFU, which is high intensity focused ultrasound. HIFU is done for facelift. It should be done once a year and gives wonderful facelift as well as neck rejuvenation. Radio frequency helps in treating fine lines and also helps in collagen building up. Talking about treatments which are slightly or minimally invasive are our muscle relaxants. We just spoke about how muscle action produces wrinkles, which could be fine wrinkles or deep wrinkles. Now relaxing those muscles will help in those wrinkles being formed permanently. There comes the role of botulinum toxin, which when injected properly into the muscle can help us prevent those wrinkles. There's no problem in getting a botulinum injection repeated because this action is not long lasting. It may last from 4 to 6 months depending upon the variation of the preparation we are using. Yes, we have to optimize the dose accordingly, but repeat injection is absolutely safe and can be very well done. Second minimally invasive treatment is a filler. Filler is nothing but a material made up of hyaluronic acid. We just spoke about how fat loss can cause volume deficit or spaces. So filling up those areas can be various kinds of fillers. Now the material we inject into our under eye may not be same as that of our cheeks or the jawline. So depending upon which area we want to fill up or contour, we can use different kinds of fillers. Fillers have different longevity depending upon what material we are using. They may last anywhere between 12 months to 24 months. Next in the line are threads. They are definitely invasive treatments. They require very well trained injectors to be using threads. Threads are injected inside and they give a facelift depending upon where they are injected, because they can be done for the face, they can be done for the forehead. In fact, a mesh can also be prepared and injected into the neck to prevent double chin. Body threads are also available. So speak to your doctor about what your concerns are and accordingly plan the anti-aging treatment which you require. Definitely there are some things which can be done at home by regular use of antioxidants or collagen supplements. Collagen supplements are available in various forms. There are various flavors available. So you can start using any collagen supplement regularly. consult your doctor before starting one, and also following a healthy diet and exercise regularly. You subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information on skin and hair treatments. Like, comment and share on this post for any anti-aging queries that you have. Press the bell icon for future notifications.